A healthy website is more than just good design, it's how everything works together behind the scenes. Slow pages, broken links, missing redirects, accessibility gaps, and content issues can quietly damage user experience, SEO, and credibility. WP Site Checkers. WP General Checks give you a complete site overview in one scan. From page speed, SSL rating, and broken links, to word search, 301 redirects, 404 errors, YouTube suggested, internal and external links, accessibility reports, responsive testing, headings, and spelling and grammar, everything is covered. We even scan embedded content and help you search across pages to spot hidden issues faster. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you get one dashboard with everything you need to optimize performance, usability, and content quality. One plugin. Every essential check. Explore WP General Checks with WP Site Checker today.